Hello everyone. If you're looking for a to-do list app that integrates seamlessly with Gmail and your Google Workspace, look no further than Google Tasks. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Tasks. This is your complete Google Tasks tutorial. I want you to think of today as your Google Tasks quick start guide. So first thing first, Google Tasks is completely free and it integrates with any of your Google account. Second, there's a Google Task mobile app for iOS and Android, or you can use third-party web browsers like Safari or Google Chrome. And third part is Google Task is a simplistic task manager. So you're not going to see ton of bells and whistles like some other apps, but I think it's got a lot of strengths. So with that said, I actually want to start this tutorial and what Google Tasks looks like on the web. So there is no dedicated web app for Google Tasks that you need to download or anything like that. It's actually found within your suite of Google apps. You may be familiar with like side panels like here in Google Docs, right hand side of your Gmail or Drive or Calendar or Google Docs, wherever you are working. Well, the task is found on the right hand side, right hand panel, so you can access Google Tasks right from Gmail or other platforms. When you're working with Google Docs or when you're adding things to your Google Calendar, so you can add tasks right away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Gmail account and I'm gonna add task from there. All right. So Gmail, this is my Gmail, and on the right hand side you will find task. Click on it, and this is your task area. So as you can see over here, it shows my task. If you want to make a list of different tasks, like putting different tasks in different lists, you can also do that. Just click on it and you will find create new list. You can create new list right over here. I'm going to create it. Download. Like if I want to download like a new game is coming up, or I want to download a new album. So everything is going to be in this list. Once you click on it, this is your new list. As you can see over here, this is your new list, and obviously you can reorder it if you want. The next part is so I'm going to add a task from here. As you can see, add a task. Click on it and you can give a title like I want to download like Fall Guys. It's I'm going to download Fall Guys, and if you click on it, and you will find there are details. You can write anything over here XYZ, and you can set also date and time, and you can also set it at repeat if you want that. So Fall Guys is releasing on 14, like just suppose, and I'm going to set the time. It's 8 a.m. and I'm going to repeat it or not. It's on your like on your own preference. I'm just going to create this task. So this is how we are going to create task, and we are going to add details for the task from here. So it's very simple, as you can see. But how many things you can do in the task? So this is not like this is very generic way to create a task, right? But how many things? Why uh, on every Google App Suite it's available. So there's a reason behind it. So what you can do, you're going to add more tasks like download songs. I'm not going to add details or date and time right now. I'm just going to add tasks like download stock videos. So that's it. These all are my my tasks just for this tutorial purpose, right? So what you can do, if you see this more sign over here, these three dots vertically, click on it. You will find that you can also set that sort by with date and shared recently, like recently you have viewed it or not. So you can also rename this list, delete this list, print this list. Like you can, if you add a lot of list over here in under like you, if you have added a lot of tasks under this list, you can also print that. This is what I meant. So you can also add keyboard shortcuts, move reminders to task. Like if I have created reminders, so you can also move that to in your task. Send feedback to Google if you want to give feedback. If you want to do that, you can also do that. uh, right after that, you can also share like individual task if you want, or you can go in your open menu, like for this task only. You can also open menu. You can add subtasks, like which stock videos you are going to add. We can add that in subtask, and you can open different list from over here also, and you can delete it obviously, or you can just mark from, like if I have downloaded my all stock videos, you can just mark from here, and you can see we can undo it. But right behind this you will find completed. So if we click on it and you accidentally, like if I have clicked this download stock videos task, like if I have clicked it accidentally, you can also bring it back, like undo, or you can just go with unmark, it will show up again. So now we are going towards Google Calendar to show some things accordingly, like task and calendar. So just remember, if you cannot see tasks here, you can also open it from over here on the bottom left. As you can see, you can toggle it, and it will show all tasks over here which you have added accordingly, like the different dates. Or you can just go open it from over here, obviously, like from the right side, and you can add tasks from here. So back to email. There's one more option over here, like if I get email like you have to submit your videos on this date. So what we can do, like we can just grab uh, email from here, and we can just drag and drop here. It's very simple, and you can add tasks accordingly. And obviously once you have added that, you can open it from over here. You can open that, and you can also open on different Google suite, like Google Calendar, Google Docs, Gmail. So yeah, you can access that email and that task from anywhere. So that's it. That's all you need to know about Google Task, and how you can access Google Task, what things you can do in Google Task. I have told you everything, and this will goes same situation with the mobile app. Obviously, mobile app would describe the same thing, the things I have described you right over here. So I hope you understand what I've tried to say about the Google Task, and I hope you learn from it. And thank you for watching this video. Please comment below if you want any queries according it.